Fix atuvos-not-connecting. Mock screens only. Unlock the iPhone. Open Find My. Go to Items and start Add Other Item only after the setup checks are ready. Open Settings and confirm Bluetooth, location services, Find My network, and iOS support before blaming the atuvos tag. Place the atuvos within 1 foot of the iPhone and press it once to wake it. Keep both still while the card appears. If Find My says the tag is linked to another Apple account, stop. The previous owner must remove the item in Find My. If the atuvos stays silent, open it and reseat the CR2032. Use a fresh uncoded cell if the old one still fails. If the atuvos paired before and later vanished, toggle Bluetooth in Settings, restart the iPhone, and recheck Find My network. If a fresh battery and the setup checklist still leave the tag silent, stop repeating resets and contact atuvos support. Scan the QR for the full HotAirTag guide.